Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a comment to a design in Figma. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So let's say this is my design, right? And this is a frame in my design. Let's say I want to make a comment to this design. I'm gonna go to this icon, click on it, and you will be in the comment mode. You can click whenever you want, and you can add a comment. Let's say this Figma, this design is too purple, and you can click on add comment. And so when you hover it again, you will see the comment that you just made. So this is very useful when you working with someone else and you want to make a comment or feedback to their design. And if you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.